Hey content creators and marketers! Welcome to the getimg.ai channel. Today we will share some examples on how FluxOne, our state-of-the-art AI model, can elevate your content and marketing strategies. This video is dedicated to everyone working with marketing and content creation tasks. Whether you are crafting eye-catching visuals for social media, designing ads, or creating engaging content, you will see how to use FluxOne to make your work not just easier but extraordinary. In marketing, visuals are everything. FluxOne is built to create high-quality, attention-grabbing images, and in comparison with other AI models, it works perfectly with complex prompts and with generating text on images. So you can easily combine styles, slogans, and use detailed prompts to create promotional materials that will resonate with your audience. Like this book cover, which we have created to promote Flux. The model allowed us to combine title, subtitle, author, cover image, and a background. Each of these elements can be changed within a second. So whenever you need a sleek ad or a vibrant social media post, FluxOne ensures your visuals are professional, polished, and aligned with your brand style every single time. At getimg.ai, we create a lot of content, and we know the importance of standing out in a crowded space. FluxOne helps you craft unique, visually stunning content that captures attention. Whether it's a blog illustrations, video thumbnails, or even entire visual narratives, FluxOne adapts to your creative vision and enhances it. One of the most important FluxOne standout features is its ability to seamlessly integrate text into your images. This is a game changer that brings many new use cases to utilize AI in marketing. FluxOne ensures that your text not only fits but enhances the overall design. It easily creates bold headlines, subtle captions, intricate typography, to name a few. FluxOne isn't just about creating one type of content, it's about versatility. It follows very complex prompts perfectly, so you can create anything from perfect product shots to pixel art campaign visuals. FluxOne adapts to any style or requirement. This makes it an invaluable tool for running multiple campaigns across different platforms, all while maintaining a cohesive brand identity. Ready to elevate your marketing and content creation? Head over to getimg.ai and start using FluxOne today. Don't just create with impact. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and insights on leveraging AI in your creative process. Happy creating! And stay tuned for our next video comparing different AI models with Flux.